Hello people, presenting to you our idea for Walmart Sparkathon 2024. Our team is cognitive coders. Our idea falls into the data team of the Sparkathon. Let's dive into the idea. We all know the global retailer Walmart. It is a diverse retailing MNC with various branches and stores across the world. But being vast and diverse do come with a few limitations, like improper stocking of products in the inventory because of fluctuating demand, unable to track low demand products, and having issues personalizing recommendations, especially when promoting low demand products. In this idea, we will be using three machine learning models to solve these issues. First, the demand forecast model. It will display the high and low demand products on a weekly, monthly, and yearly basis. Next, the recommendation model. It looks into the low demand products and customers' shopping list to effectively promote the low demand products. Finally, the inventory model. It looks into the inventory supplies and tells us if an order is to be placed for a product or not. This is the workflow of the project. First, we will send in the sales data into the demand forecast model. It will give us weekly, monthly, and yearly demand. This is then separated into high demand and low demand goods. The high demand goods is fed into the inventory model, and low demand goods is fed into the recommendation model. The inventory model will tell us if an order is to be placed or not, and the recommendation model will give us the top 15 recommendations for that particular customer. Now let's look into the UI. This is the idea of the interface. It has three pages: demand, inventory, and recommendations, each for each model. The demand forecast. Here, if we enter the category of the product, we'll be getting weekly, monthly, and yearly demand. It includes both the high and low demand products. Next, the inventory model. If we enter the product ID, we'll be getting the following details and if an order is to be placed or not. Next, the recommendations. If we enter the customer ID, we'll be getting the top 15 recommendations for that particular customer. Now let's move to the machine learning models. First, the demand forecast model. We have used the random forest algorithm for this model. It dynamically separates the products based on high, moderate, and low demand. This is done for different ranges of time like a week, a month, and a year. For now, the accuracy of this model is 71%. Next, the inventory model. For this model, we use linear regression algorithm. Here, the optimal order quantity is calculated using EOQ formula. The model predicts the stock level. If the predicted stock level is less than or equal to the predicted stock, then the order is to be placed for that particular product. Next, the recommendation model. The recommendation model uses an ensemble model, which is a combination of SVD and NMF algorithms. When the customer ID is fed into the model, it will give the top 15 recommendations for that particular customer. So the future plans will be refinement of the models, building a website, connecting the ML models using a pipeline, and automating them. Thank you.